Tired of paying for chess symbols? Namecheap offers them for free. Here's how to copy and paste any chess piece instantly. We'll go to Namecheap's site, find the font generator, select chess symbols, and copy them. Simple steps, no cost. So let's start by opening up Namecheap's website. Head over to namecheap.com. This is where we'll find everything we need. Now, look for the Apps section. It's usually along the top navigation bar. Click on that to open up their collection of free tools. Scroll down a bit until you see the option that says View More. Give that a click. This opens up the full list of apps Namecheap offers. Find the one that says Create Fancy Fonts Text for Free and use it in social media posts, bios, messages. Copy and paste unique symbols to add personality to your text. Go ahead and click that. Once you're on the font generator page, you'll see a big button that says Copy and Paste. Click that. This is where the real fun begins. Now you're inside the font generator. Look over the categories and find Chess Symbols. Click on that. Welcome to the Chess Symbols page. You'll see a clean layout with all the pieces ready to grab. The main button says Quickly copy and paste chess pieces and generate Unicode chessboards. Click that. All right, here we are. You're now looking at all the standard chess symbols. Let's start with the white king. Click on that symbol. You'll see it's instantly copied to your clipboard. That's it. You can now paste it anywhere. Now let's grab the white queen. Click on the queen symbol. Same thing, instantly copied. Paste it into your document, your social media bio, wherever you need it. Next up, the white rook. Click on the rook symbol. And again, it's ready to paste. You see how fast this is? No downloads, no payments, just click and paste. Let's explore a bit more. Click on the white king option again. This brings up some interesting information about the piece itself. It's a nice touch if you want to learn more about chess history while you grab your symbols. Now click on Chess Symbols and Unicode. This explains how these symbols work behind the scenes. Namecheap's tool uses Unicode, which is a universal standard. That means these symbols will display correctly on almost any device or platform. And here's the really important part. This is what makes the tool so valuable. You don't need to install any special fonts or pay for icon sets. It's all built into the text system your computer already uses. Go ahead and click on Toledo Nanochess. This is a real-world example of a tiny chess program written in JavaScript. It's only about 2.2 kilobytes. That's incredibly small. It shows you just how versatile these symbols can be when you start building things with them. Finally, click on the Variations info. This section explains that there are hundreds of chess variations and puzzles out there. Some of them use different symbols that aren't included here because they require installing special fonts. But for standard chess pieces, what we've got here covers everything you need. And that's it. From not knowing where to find free chess symbols to easily copying and pasting any piece you need in seconds, all thanks to Namecheap's free built-in font generator. No subscriptions, no premium fonts, no hassle. Just clean, usable symbols ready to go whenever you need them.